On January 29, 2023 in Orlando, Florida, police officers were dealing with an incident when a drunk driver almost ran over them and the family they had stopped.
Can you put the car in park, please?
Yes, sir.
Have your driver's license, vehicle registration. Can you take a guess on why we are stopping you?
Because we, drove really fast with the... You didn't know it was you guys.
Of course not. You almost ran over 5 people.
As the officer approached Kim's vehicle, he asked her to put the car in park. The officer immediately asked for Kim's driver's license and registration. Kim fumbled for the documents, signaling her lack of coordination. The officer, noting Kim's behavior, asked her if she could guess why she was being stopped, to which she did not respond. The officer then explained that she had almost run over 5 people, including officers who were dealing with the prior stop. The officer continued to express concern over her impaired driving and slurred speech.
Can you turn the car off?
Yes, of course. Can I go?
Nope. I don't want you driving anymore because due to your eyes, I believe you to be drunk.
I'm not that drunk.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. What, are you part of OPD?
Yes.
Okay, my brother is Winter Garden.
How do you think your brother's going to feel if I call him and tell him your sister is drunk driving?
No,
I'm
not drunk driving. I'm not. I'm
okay.
literally parking up here. I'm sorry.
Again, I'm not talking to you, ma'am.
Lorena,
Again, I'm not talking to you.
Lorena, just please stop.
Okay. But due to your speech and your eyes, you're drunk. We can play this game and I can get you out of the car and do a whole DUI investigation, or you can kind of cooperate because I'm going to do it.
I will cooperate with you, whatever you want me to do.
But due to your eyes and your slurred speech, you're drunk.
I'm not slurred speech. Hey, listen. I'm really not.
Cool. So your driving is really bad. You almost ran over a group of people.
I ran over you guys.
Almost. No, not us. A group of non-cops. Cops are not it's still dangerous that you could have hit somebody. No, I'm not worried about the cops. I'm worried about the family. And we were dealing with one car for a separate reason.
You almost ran over.
And you come out and
sir, I apologize. Can you tell him I apologize?
Apology's not going to do anything. I hear you. It's not going to matter.
What's your name?
Alvarez.
Kim kept insisting that she wasn't drunk, repeatedly claiming she was fine and not intoxicated. Kim's reaction was defensive, and she tried to justify her actions, explaining that she had simply been moving from one parking lot to another and hadn't realized she was in danger of hitting anyone. Despite her protests, the officer was not convinced. He reiterated that apologies wouldn't fix the situation and that he was following protocol to assess her impairment.
You keep laughing as if it's funny.
It's not
It's
a
very
joke at all.
serious.
I know it's not a joke.
Okay, is there anyone that's sober in the car?
I am. I'm fine. I promise you I'm okay.
Can I say, I'm sorry, I know you're not talking to me like me at all.
No,
It's not that I don't. Sure, go ahead, I'm listening.
No, please, we have someone that can pick us up. I'm sorry. We have someone.
That decision should have been made prior to you driving.
We were literally right around the corner. We were just moving to this parking lot.
Honestly, we don't mean to cause any problems for anyone.
We were literally just moving from one parking lot to the other, and that's all we were doing. That's all we were doing. So I apologize.
It's okay. It's nothing personal. I get it. So you see how you're keeping one consistent demeanor? She's not. She's laughing, sad, apologetic. You know what that means?
No.
Because I have anxiety. I have
literally. She's on all the app.
No. I have anxiety. I have depression.
I don't, because you're making it worse.
I'm not making it worse.
You're telling me she's on medication.
No, I'm not. No, I
right
just
now, but
no.
She does have anxiety, depression, everything. She has. I love her so much, but.
Okay, shut up. Anyways, no, I'm not on anything. I'm just.
Honestly, didn't mean to cause any problems. We didn't want to hurt anyone.
Luckily, you did it.
Honestly, if we would have hurt anyone, we would have stopped and probably risked our whole lives for them. Honestly, we're probably the best people you've ever met.
I doubt that.
You should say that.
That would have been the smartest thing to do.
We were just trying to get closer to where we're going.
I don't know anything, but I'm really
I don't think I just met you.
Sir,
I don't form an opinion of someone that I just met. Yes.
can I pull up or something? Am I gonna get arrested?
Probably.
Can I get arrested for her?
Because you're not driving. No, ma'am.
Can you get up the seat now?
I will take both of you to jail for DUI if I have probable cause. If you think that's funny.
I will go to jail for
No,
It's not funny. No,
I don't mind.
stop.
I've done it before when boyfriend and girlfriends want to do
Why
stuff.
would you do that?
I'm just being honest. Like if you want to play silly games
No, we're
and
not.
play
We're
like
not.
I'm gonna swap the seats. I'm just telling you.
Honestly, it's just.
Pass me that beer in the center console.
What beer?
The one your friend keeps trying to, the high noon, keeps trying to hide.
I just want my bag to be.
Can you pass me the high noon in the center console, please?
Yes. Pass it to him. Listen to him. Oh my god.
Thank you.
This is fucking.
Gentlemen, can I get one of you guys to help me out here?
No, stop.
What's your first name?
Kim.
Kim, I'm gonna have you step out for DUI investigation, okay? Kim, we're gonna walk back here towards the back of the tunnel, okay?
Can I ask you like a person?
Sure, what you got?
How old are you?
That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
You told me. I asked you, can I ask you a personal
And you
question?
can. I'm just. It doesn't mean I'm gonna answer. Do you have a separate question?
That's fine. No.
All right, Kim. Listen, I believe you to be intoxicated. Okay. I believe you to be intoxicated for several reasons. Your slurred speech, your eyes. Okay. And you're like fumbling around in the center console, in the glove compartment, when you were trying to give me the registration. Okay.
Because I have never had to do that before.
And that's fine. That's fine. I get it.
I apologize. I've never had to actually take out my driver's license or anything. I've never been pulled over really. Like I've been pulled over one time when you saw that little warning ticket because my daughter was crying and I got pulled over in the speeding zone for like. Anyways.
That's fine. Come, I want you facing away from the lights. Let's go to the other side of this Mustang here.
The officer informed her that he would conduct a DUI investigation. The officer asked Kim to follow the tip of his pen with her eyes, instructing her not to move her head. As Kim attempted the test, the officer noticed that her eyes were jerking involuntarily. This is a clear indication of intoxication. Kim was then asked to perform the walk and turn test, which involves standing in a heel-to-toe position and walking in a straight line. Kim struggled to maintain balance, asking to remove her shoes, claiming they were too big and making it difficult to keep her footing. The officer allowed her to take off her shoes, but when she attempted the test, she still had difficulty walking a straight line and failed to follow the instructions properly. She miscounted her steps and lost her balance multiple times. The final test was the one-leg stand, where Kim was asked to raise one foot off the ground and count out loud while maintaining her balance. Kim attempted the test, but she repeatedly put her foot down and struggled to keep her balance. After observing Kim's performance on the field sobriety tests, the officer concluded that she was too impaired to drive. The officer placed Kim under arrest for DUI.
2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2000?
All right, Kim, you can stop. Kim, based off these exercises, please don't do what? Take you to jail because you are twice over the legal limit for your height and body weight.
My boyfriend picked me up. He's a fireman.
I don't care who's a fireman and who's not. Okay?
My brother will come pick me up.
Can you put your shoes back on for me, please? Kim, can you please put your shoes back on? And you're gonna stand with my corporal for just a minute. Don't look at me like that. Don't ask for forgiveness. It's not gonna work. Just please put your shoes on. Kim, can you put your arms behind your back, please? You're being placed on arrest for DUI.
No, please don't
Kim,
do this.
please.
Ashley's able to drive.
It's not about driving, Kim. Can you please put your hands behind your back, please? Kim, don't resist, please. Don't do that. DUI is kind of a big deal, but it's not the end of the world. Can you separate your hands from your...
It is a big deal.
It is, but please, I don't want to have to charge you for extra charges for no reason, okay? Alright, Kim. Kim, is there anything in your pockets? Any cash, money, anything like that? Okay. Alright, Kim. Let's walk towards the car.
Kim tried to argue and pleaded for her boyfriend to come pick her up, but the officer firmly refused, explaining that it was too late and that she was now under arrest for impaired driving. Kim continued to protest as the officer placed her in handcuffs and escorted her to the patrol car. She was placed in the back of the patrol car, and the officers began to complete the necessary paperwork for the DUI charge.
Wait, can I talk to my friends real quick?
In about 2 minutes, yes.
Can I get there?
Yep, I will get you phone numbers.
No, wait.
I have to, Kim. Please, Kim, can you please put your...
Officer
Watch your
Albert.
foot, Kim, please. Thank you, Kim.
Kim's behavior and performance on the field, sobriety tests, clearly indicated that she was under the influence of alcohol, despite her insistence that she wasn't drunk. She was arrested and charged with DUI, facing consequences for endangering herself, the officers, and the public.